Good morning students. Now we will discuss next topic, that is activity 1.3. In this activity we read how small are these particles of matter. कि मैटर जो पार्टिकल्स होते हैं वो आपके कितने स्मॉल होते हैं वो हमें रीड करना है. Now in activity 1.3 we will discuss that take 2-3 crystals of potassium permanganate and dissolve them in 100 ml of water. आपको पोटेशियम परमैंगनेट का क्रिस्टल लेना है and dissolve it in 100 ml of water. Now take out express 10 ml of this solution. Take this solution in 10 ml amount and put it into 90 ml of clean water. और उसे आपको 90 ml clean water में mix करना है. Now take out 10 ml of this solution and put it into another 90 ml of clean water. 10 ml solution फिर लेना है and put it another 90 ml of water में फिर mix करना है. Keep diluting the solution like this 5 to 8 times. Now you have to dilute the solution 5 to 8 times. So what we observe, if the water is still colored, you have to answer that water is still colored. So after doing this activity we will find that when we add potassium permanganate into water it gives pink color. If we take 10 ml of that solution and then again dilute the solution with 90 ml of water, then it also shows pink color. So what we observe, that water is still colored. Water is still colored. If you dilute that solution into 90 ml of water 5 to 8 times, then the water is still colored. Why it happens so? Because this happens because matter is made up of small particles in the beaker. Why water is still colored? Because matter is made up of small particles which are spread in the beaker. Matter आपके छोटे particles से बने होते हैं जो कि आपका बीकर में स्प्रेड होते जाते हैं while diluting 5 to 8 times. So this experiment can also be done by using 2 ml of Dettol instead of KMnO4. The smell can be detected even on repeated dilution. If we take Dettol and dilute with water, then smell can be detected on repeated dilution. Similar experiment can be done by using Dettol also. Next topic is characteristic of particles of matter. What are the characteristics of particles of matter? First one is that particles of matter have space between them. Particles of matter have space between them. Like in activity 1.1 we did that we add sugars or salt into the water, then it salt dissolve in water and it take the space in gap between the water particles. So this is the first characteristic of particles of matter. Particles of matter have space between them. For example, if we take salt or sugar and dilute with water या dissolve in water, so salt particles are filled between the gaps of water particles. So we can say that sugar and salt dissolve in water. So salt particles are filled between the gaps of water particles. It means that particles of matter have space between them. So this is the first characteristic of matter. The second one is particles of matter are continuously moving. They are moving continuously. I can explain this characteristic by taking an example or by doing an activity 1.3. Activity 1.3, we will discuss particles of matter are moving continuously. The second one is particles of matter are moving continuously. So from activity 1.3, first put unlit incense stick in a corner of your class. Take unlit incense stick and put it in the corner of your class. Now the question arises, how close do you have to go near it so as to get its smell? कितना क्लोज आप उसके पास जाओगे कि आपको उसकी स्मेल आने लगे. Unlit incense stick, it's a unlit. So observation is that first question is that how close do you have to go near it so as to get its smell. So we have to go very close to get the smell of unlit incense stick. We have to go very close to get the smell of unlit incense stick. Now the second question is, now light the incense stick, what happens? If you light the incense stick, what happens? Answer says Sika. If you light the incense stick, then smoke started coming out of it. Smoke started coming out of it. Smoke निकलने लगेगी उससे. coming out of it. Next question is that, do you get smell sitting at a distance? If we light incense stick, then do we get smell sitting at a distance? So yes, now we can get smell of incense stick sitting at a distance. Why? Because smell of incense stick diffuse with air. एयर के साथ डिफ्यूज हो जाती है and reaches to us sitting at a distance. Sitting at a distance. Why? Because smell diffuses into air and reaches to us sitting at a distance. So by doing this activity 1.3, we get that this activity shows that matter consists of small particles which are moving continuously. That's why we get the smell of incense stick sitting at a distance. So this means that particles of matter possess kinetic energy. They are moving continuously. Thank you, class. We will discuss next topic in our next class.